but so that people really understand what happens, what it's like, and what they're paying for, and whether or not they like what they're paying for, they don't like what they're paying for. That's for them to decide after they sort of watch and
How are you getting the word out?
Well, mostly through social media, and we are in the process of releasing our marketing plan to extend our audience, to extend what we're doing in our messaging. I was in Austin actually last week at the beginning of session and talked to several legislators that were so excited about the idea that they are wanting to see how they can help us expand it through the state of Texas, which is our ultimate vision, to be able to have this with, we don't have a timeline for that, but be able to be kind of a pilot program that we can expand to all of the state of Texas, because I think it can be useful.
We see MAD always down there. MAD is always, and for those of you who are watching and who may have ventured in the courthouse at some point, most of them are sitting in the jury box. They're sitting there with their with their pad and pen, looking. Yeah. Yeah,
if I may, sorry, I think because I would like to distinguish. We have several principles that underlie our monitoring methodology, and the first one is non-intervention. We're not there to change the outcome of a particular procedure or a case. We would like to be as discreet as possible. We don't wear clothing that identifies us. We don't have, I guess people can take notes. We don't have badges. People just sitting
cards
there.
Out.
No, they just sit there quietly and watch what happens. They don't talk to anybody. They don't comment. They don't intervene. They don't interject. It's only to observe. And again, we don't want to report on one case or one judge or one prosecutor, one defense lawyer. What we look at is patterns of violations. So if there's a systematic issue that we see. So I take I didn't hear about this MAD court monitoring until I heard about it from Priscilla, and I was shocked because, but they have different objectives than we do. So this is non-intervention is a fundamental principle.